Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Edge in an SEL trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power and all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a very spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you have buttons to do so from back here with a 12-volt. And underneath this cover, you have your spare with some large compartments for extra storage. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth, partial sort of suede interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet down there. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 73,763 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can access your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And then on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, as well as your controls for your left screen, where you can cycle through your RPMs and oil temperature, tire pressures, digital speedometer, all-wheel drive status, distance to empty. And you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, driver assistance features and settings in general for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on, you do have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock, and then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have this compartment for storage, and moving down, you have your hazards and then your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Below that, you have this compartment with two USBs, so you can plug in from there. Behind that, you have this tray area for storage, and you have a 12-volt power outlet in the passenger leg area. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift. You have paddle shifters on the steering wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. Parking brake, two cup holders, and your two-tiered center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, and another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have a panoramic moonroof up top so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.